Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can Revolut accept USD? Before I get into the answer, I want to give you a little bit of background on Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including a prepaid debit card, currency exchange, and international banking. It's a really popular choice for people who travel or do business internationally, and it's also a great option for people who want to save money on foreign exchange fees. So, can Revolut accept USD? The answer is yes. Revolut supports a number of different currencies, including USD. This means that you can easily add USD to your Revolut account and use it to make purchases or send money to other people. How to add USD to your Revolut account? There are a few different ways to add USD to your Revolut account. One way is to link your bank account to your Revolut account. This will allow you to transfer money from your bank account to your Revolut account in USD. Another way to add USD to your Revolut account is to use a debit or credit card. This is a great option if you don't have a bank account that supports international transfers. Finally, you can also buy USD with your Revolut card. This is a good option if you need to get USD quickly. How to use USD in your Revolut account? Once you have USD in your Revolut account, you can use it to make purchases or send money to other people. You can use your Revolut card to make purchases in stores or online. You can also use the Revolut app to send money to other people, both within the Revolut app and to people who don't have a Revolut account. Benefits of using Revolut to hold USD. There are a number of benefits to using Revolut to hold USD. One benefit is that you can get competitive exchange rates. This means that you'll be able to get more USD for your money than you would if you were to exchange currency at a bank or currency exchange. Another benefit of using Revolut to hold USD is that you can avoid foreign exchange fees. This is a big deal if you travel or do business internationally. Finally, Revolut is a safe and secure way to store your money. Your money is protected by encryption and other security measures. So, if you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to hold USD, Revolut is a great option. With Revolut, you can easily add USD to your account, use it to make purchases or send money to other people, and get competitive exchange rates. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Revolut, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about whether or not Revolut can accept USD. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.